Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be talking about storing cryptocurrency. Regardless of which cryptocurrency you decide to invest in, coins and tokens are always stored within a digital wallet. Please, I've talked about a digital wallet in one of my videos. A digital wallet is simply a random combination of numbers and or letters which is unique for each user on the network. When you are looking for a safe place to securely store a cryptocurrency, you have several options to choose from, and one of them are web-based wallets. And I actually did a video of how to open a blockchain.info wallet, where you can have a Bitcoin wallet web-based, an Ethereum wallet web-based, and a Bitcoin Cash wallet web-based. The first option you have when deciding where to store your coin is as an online web-based wallet, such as blockchain.info. For example, this type of crypto wallet are convenient if you plan on storing a small amount of crypto. For large amounts, this is not as secure as some of the other options, such as hardware wallets. Hardware wallets. The second option you have is to store your digital currency on an hardware wallet. An hardware wallet is like your hard drive and external device. Hardware wallets are one of the best ways to store Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrency securely. Device like the Trezor hardware wallet allows you to safely access your cryptocurrency by simply plugging in the device into your computer's USB port, just like a hard drive. Another kind of wallet we have is called the mobile wallet. Mobile wallet apps are another popular option, especially in today's mobile-driven world. This type of wallet are realistically only convenient for sending transactions when you are away from your computer, because they are much less secure than hardware wallets. Desktop wallets are even web-based wallets because they are much less secure than hardware wallets, desktop wallets, and even web-based wallets. Another wallet to look at is desktop wallet. A desktop wallet is the final choice you have for digital currency storage. They can be a great solution, but generally we require a high level of technological skills, like someone who is like a programmer. However, if you are familiar with how the Bitcoin blockchain works, it is much more customizable. For the average Bitcoin user, a desktop wallet is not as practicable as other more user-friendly options. Most people, Bitcoin burst onto the scene between 2013 and 2014. The truth is, however, that this cryptocurrency dates back to as early as 2008. At that time, cryptocurrency were nothing more than an idea based on theory, but Bitcoin would go on to serve as a pioneer to the industry. It all began with the publication of the original Bitcoin white paper by a person named Satoshi Nakamoto. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and watch my next video on Bitcoin value, market cap, and volume. Thank you.